everyone, welcome to Bullion RV, located in Duluth, Minnesota, right off of Lake Superior. Today I get to show you the 2023 Forest River Timberwolf. It's the 39SR. We'll take a look on the outside, then go ahead on the inside, and then you can tell us what you think. Okay, for starters, on the outside, I'm going to take a step back. There is a nice, large awning. So one of the great features about these destination trailers are that they have a really nice, big area for entertaining. So this is great for on a property or at a seasonal campsite. You can have a nice big deck here. There are stairs for this. It's just located under the bed at the moment. Nice sliding glass doors. We're gonna go ahead and start on the bedroom end of it and work our way down to the entertaining side of this trailer. A couple other fun features on the outside here. You do have your outdoor speakers. You have your TV. I can't even reach that. You have your TV hookup there, your mouse. You have an outlet, and then your cable hookup as well. And then of course, there's a cord there. You can't forget about your furry family members. That is the leash latch, so you can hook them up and then they're not running around through the campsite. So let's go ahead and start in the master bedroom. So as you can see, there is a whole ton of space in here. Lots and lots of storage. This is your prep for your washer dryer. Very nice there. Storage here. And of course, here, and up there as well. So moving over to the bed area, you do get nice little countertops. So this is great for glasses and water bottles and charging your cell phone. You have a USB and a USB-C, and then also another option there for storage up above. Fantastic. Lots and lots of space, lots of headroom. You're not gonna get up out of bed and whack your head on something that's low hanging. Lots of space in here. So we're gonna work our way into the loft area. So above the master bedroom is a loft area. Now this is one of the largest loft areas that I've seen. So let's go take a look. Okay, moving on up into here. Now I am an adult that can fit. I am sitting upright and I still have room. So what's great is that there's spots for 2 different people. You could even fit 3 if you have a smaller person. Over in this area, you have storage for their belongings, because the people who are going to stay in this loft are going to need to put their things somewhere. And then of course, see, I'm able to crawl around and get you this footage, which is great. And then they get a window, a nice little cubby, and then up there is USB and an outlet so they can plug in their devices. So working our way back downstairs, you can see there's a whole nice staircase. Handles, makes it nice and easy for people to navigate. Awesome. So in here, we're gonna go take a look at the bathroom. This door opens up quite wide, which is really nice. Sometimes these doors only open part way. So moving into the bathroom, there is a lot of space and a lot of space around the toilet. So this is something to give a shout out to. This is an oval or an oblong toilet where normally they're round. So this gives you a little bit more space. Of course, it's, hear that? Porcelain. Storage. Storage. Then you have your sink. More. Say it with me. Storage. And then the shower. So what's nice There we go. This shower is so tall. So one of the biggest complaints or, you know, hindrances is if you're a really tall person, these campers don't always have the height in a shower. This destination trailer has the height in the shower and a nice built-in seat, very convenient. Nice and large, doors are great. Give this bathroom an A+ for sure. Lots of great features to it. Okay, working our way into the entertaining area. So this is part of my favorite areas in these campers because this is where people tend to gather. This is where they're going to play games together, chat together, build memories. There's a lot of seating area. So you can seat people here, there, in the theater seats. What's great is these couches also go out into additional sleeping. So say you have the master bedroom is taken, the loft is being taken by children or adults or whoever, then you need to sleep more people. So both this couch and the couch behind me goes out very simply into additional sleeping. Look at how easy that was. Super convenient. It's actually quite long. You can adjust this so this is a little bit higher up, but for the sake of the video, that takes a little bit longer. We're not going to worry about that right now. Sometimes it's nice to just show these little things and how easy it is to take apart or put things together, so you guys understand that camping can really be a lot of fun and it doesn't take a lot to do it. All right, moving over to the entertainment center. So this is the entertainment area. Now the entertainment center. Do get a fireplace, electric. It does have heat. It's not going to heat this entire camper, but gives you enough to kind of take that chill off in the morning, evening. Nice large TV. Cubbies for all the things, whether that's a DVD player, a gaming system, cards, board games, all kinds of great spots. Now, also, this has a nice high top bar in it as well. So people can be here enjoying company, being still a part of the group. Great place to have snacks, watch a movie, but you do get bar stools with it, so people can sit there and eat. So you have a couple places for people to eat here. You've got a whole nother table here, which we did pop the leaf out on this, so you do get extra table space, which is great. You can always put an extra chair here so people can all be together. Since we're here, I'm going to show you this camper does have what they call the zebra curtains. So what's great about these is that you can have all kinds of light, you can have no light, or you can have it completely open, which is awesome. Sometimes people like to have that little bit of light, but maybe a little bit more privacy. That zebra curtain does that for you, which is fantastic. Working over into the kitchen part of the dining area, you do get a nice pull down faucet, nice large, big, whoops, I just hit the microphone, I'm sorry friends. Nice big sink, stainless steel sink, storage on either side, which is fantastic. Lots and lots of storage. Storage underneath. You could fit a kitchen garbage in there. Drawers, of course, go all the way down. All the drawers are pretty much the same. And then, of course, more storage, which is great. Now, this stove, I'm going to give a huge shout out. So, not only do you get your 3 burners, your splatter guard, which is great, you get your oven, then you also get 2, not just 1, but 2 drawers underneath. Wow! Okay, I got a little aggressive. I was excited about that drawer. Microwave, storage, way up there. I'm too short, I'm not going to open that. You have a nice wine rack up above the refrigerator as well, which is fantastic. It's out of reach for all those little hands. Nice, large. Ooh, that's pretty cold. Very nice. Look at that. Love all the doors. Great. Well, there you guys have it. This is the 2023 Forest River Timberwolf Destination Trailer. It's the 39SR. My name is Haley Johns. If you'd like to work with me on this unit or maybe any other unit in our inventory, give me a call, 218-740-4997. And don't forget, I'm willing to go the extra mile to help you camp in style. Have a great day, everyone.